Let's make a decadent chocolate tart with crunchy Kataifi and pistachio filling. To begin, blitz chocolate biscuits in a food processor to create the tart base. Pour in melted butter and stir through well. Transfer to a tart tin, spreading out the crumbs evenly, then use a glass to compact the base. Unravel the Kataifi pastry and roughly chop it into 1 centimeter pieces. Transfer the Kataifi to a dry pan, separating any strands that may be stuck together. Toast the Kataifi by constantly stirring as it begins to turn golden, then start tossing to ensure an even, deep golden and crunchy result. Transfer to a bowl, then go in with delicious pistachio spread. Stir well, then transfer to the tart base, spreading it out gently and evenly. For the rich chocolate ganache, combine darkened milk chocolate, butter and warm cream. Allow it to sit, then whisk to form a rich ganache. Stream it over the top of the pistachio and Kataifi layer, then refrigerate to set. Finish with a dusting of cacao and enjoy.